Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can fix your Viber activation field issue. So an activation field error after entering your two-step verification PIN is due to one of the following. That is, the PIN you enter is incorrect, or tap try again and enter another PIN, or you must have attempted too much. They've actually disabled it for a certain period of time. So in this case, what you can do is you can tap on try again and enter another PIN, or you can just go ahead and tap on forgot PIN to restart your PIN using your email address as well. After that, the PIN will be sent to an email. Apart from it, you can also wait for at least 24 hours, and after that you can retry it, and that might be able to fix your issue. If that is also not working out, what else you can do is you can go ahead and contact the support team. After you're done contacting the support team, state about the issue and they'll look into your matter. So in this way you can fix your Viber activation field issue. And also, one of the most important things, you can go ahead and check for an update. If your application is not up to date, then it might also cause this kind of issues. So these were some of the ways to fix your Viber activation field issue. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.